Hello, Nathaniel Crawford here with Build Every Day Better. One of the questions that I get very often is how much space is there in a container home? And while we at Build Every Day Better, we build everything from 300 square foot homes to 3,000 square foot homes. The wonderful people over at Dwell put a really cool article together about highlighting some container homes that really maximize space. So there's a link to the full article in the comments below or the description below as well. But I wanted to share the highlights with you. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions about container homes anywhere here in South Florida, or you know anyone that may want to know more about container homes, feel free to tag them below or share this video or send us a direct message or comment below, all right? I look forward to hearing from you.